Hello friends, welcome to my channel Guru Mantra. My name is Guru Raj. Due to some reason I was traveling to my native and I couldn't do the videos. So again from today we will start our regular videos about the Nifty analysis on a daily basis. So all of you know what happened on Friday. Let me just remind you all of you. Friday the market opened at around 17,800, and that is around 55 points. Gap up opening was there on the Friday, and the high of 17,900 was made. I'm talking about the spot levels, then I will discuss about the future levels also. And at the end of the day the market closed at 17,810 level. So the previous day also, the previous few sessions also, you might have seen that the market is getting rejected at the 17,900 spot level, or we can say 17,959.70 future levels, where the market is showing some rejection. There is some rejection from that level. So this is what has happened on Friday. Now let us list few of the top gainers and top losers. Like when it comes to top gainers, Grasim, ONGC, Hindalco, HDFC Life, Shree Cement, Tata Consumer. These are some of the top gainers for the day. And top losers, Bajaj Finserv, M&M, Bajaj Finance, LT, Titan, HDFC, Cipla, Dr. Reddy and Bharti Airtel. These are some of the top losers for the day. So after coming to top gainers and top losers and what happened OHLs, that is open, high, low and close of the day, let us go to our second part of our video where we will discuss, we'll try and understand. It is not that what I am saying is, you should consider this and go ahead and trade. This is what we will try to analyze. We'll try to find out the supports and resistances, so that you will understand why it is support, why it is resistance, and it'll help you to make your decisions based on the resistance and support is. Friends, I have opened here Nifty 50 15 minutes chart. As you can see from last few sessions, last two sessions basically, the market is tapped within these two ranges. So hope so we will get this range. This will become very important range. Once it breaks on the upper side, the chances are more that it will go upside, and if it breaks the support, then the chances becomes more that it will go downside. Monday's session, that is tomorrow's session, will be very much important. This is what I feel. So let us see where are the resistance and support. The first, definitely the resistance is placed at 17,870. You can see here you have seen some rejection at this level, that is 17,880-900 level. And the next resistance, definitely psychological level, which is considered 18,000, will be the next resistance. And once it breaks 17,900 comfortably, it closes about 17,900 above, then I don't think there will be any issue to market to reach it to around 18,300 and 350 level. But as you know, every day there are some different news. One day Omicron, one day IHU, and lockdown in some of the places in India. So there is always a difficult situation to go long. Let us understand where are the supports. So 17,000, if it crosses this level, if it comes down, then 17,600 will be the major support, as far as I think. And the second support will be 17,400, that is 380 400 hour, and 17,200. These are the major supports. Let us consider these supports. Once it breaks 17,140 level, then definitely it will test 16,600, which was the one of the lows made during the previous session. So 16,600 will be the next zone where it will try to find some support if it breaks this. It all depends upon where the market opens on Monday and how the cases are going, whether any Omicron is a concern of variant of a concern or a variant of a interest. Due to all these things, I feel this will be the range for the coming 1 or 2 days. Let us see how the market behaves, and we'll analyze the further things in coming videos. Have a great trading day. Thank you.